So now in this lecture, we'll try to understand the consequences of misspecification of a model. And when we say misspecification, we are clearly defining it in terms of the variable misspecification. Okay. So let's say the true model is y equal to beta 1 plus beta 2 x2 plus the disturbance term. And let's say we fit this particular model wherein b1 is an estimate of beta 1 and b2 is an estimate of beta 2. Okay, now in this case we are including the same only one variable, that is x2, and it's a correct specification. Okay, it's a correct specification, so we'll have no problems in this particular case. But what happens if I include an extra variable? Okay, so in this case I'm including x3 as well, and I'm sort of like overfitting this model. Okay, so in this case the coefficients will continue to be unbiased, but they'll become inefficient. So now what do we mean by inefficient? uh, when we say inefficient, we mean that they won't satisfy the minimum variance property. Okay, unbiasedness means that if we take repeated samples, then the expected value of b2 will be equal to beta 2. That is, in the distribution of in the distribution of b2, the expected value of the distribution will be beta 2. Okay, what if the true model contains another variable, let's call this x3, and we do not include x3 in our model? So in this case we are fitting this model. This is a true model, but we are fitting this particular model. So in such a case, the coefficients will be biased, the standard errors will be invalid, which means, and when we say standard errors are invalid, we mean that it implies automatically that uh, your hypothesis testing is no more reliable. So hypothesis testing is no more reliable. HT means hypothesis testing is no more reliable. Is not any is not reliable anymore. Is not reliable anymore. Okay, and of course they are biased as well. What if we fit all with x2 and x3? In that case, these are three, you can say, estimates of the parameters. So small b1 is an estimate of beta 1, b2 of beta 2, b3 is an estimate of beta 3. Again, no problems in such a case. It's a recommended case. Okay, so the proofs are not a part of your course, but the consequences are. So just take note of this table. Okay,